3 times a number is 33 more than 1 over 4 of the number. So 3 times the number is 33 more than 1 over 4 of the number. 1 over 4 of the number plus 33. What is the number squared? The number is squared. So 3x minus 1 over 4x, I am passing everything that has x to the left side. I need the least common multiple between 1 and 4 is 4. 4 divided by 1 is 4 times 3x is 12x. Minus 4 divided by 4 is 1 times x is 33. 12x minus x is 11x. 33 times 4. 33 you can simplify with 11 is 3. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 squared is 144. To standardize the test, it would be good if you memorize from 1 squared to 15 squared. Okay? 1 squared, 1, 2 squared, 4, 3 squared, 9, 4 squared, 16, 5 squared, 25. 6 squared, 36, 7 squared, 49, 8 squared, 64, 9 squared, 81, 10 squared, 100. 11 squared, 121, 12 squared, 144, 13 squared, 169, 14 squared, 196. Okay? 15 squared, 225.